Welcome back. A quick follow-up. As I was establishing protocol for the sharpening of the 4.5 planes, I noticed something unique with my 4.5. And I wanted to share that with you because it changed my protocol on that plane. What I noticed, and the only thing I can attribute this to, is I noticed I couldn't get a full width shaving. So I went back using the same protocol, the same tools, and it was a little bit wider, but not full width. Okay? It was bothering me. So I had a thought, and because this is a thin blade at 0.079, I wondered, was it possible that the honing guide was bending the blade? Okay, you see, I'm getting full width shaving now. What did I do different? I freehand sharpened it. Freehand sharpened it flat and straight, and then put a minor camber on it. See? Now I'm getting full width shaving. So, I don't believe any of the other planes are going to have that unique problem. But this one did. So as you can see now, that problem has been resolved. So just wanted to do a quick follow-up on that because, man, that was bugging me. So when using a honing guide on a thin blade, finger tighten it and try not to put too much down pressure on anything and just stay straight across. Because if you tighten it so it doesn't move at all, it's either going to bend it up or down. And I think what was happening, I was creating excess camber. Go figure. Trying to do something right, and you got to go back to freehand sharpening. At least I can use the guide to establish primary and secondary and then go to freehand. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.